Stretching might be the reason your neck pain never goes away, and almost nobody realizes why. Most people stretch their body in straight lines, forward, backward, side to side. But your fascia doesn't work that way. It's a three-dimensional web that wraps every muscle, every organ, every nerve, and it responds best to one thing: rotation. So instead of trying to stretch tension away, what if you could unwind it? Because tension doesn't always need to be pulled apart. Sometimes it needs to be untwisted. Let me show you something. Stand up for a second and try this with me. Feet shoulder width apart. Relax your shoulders. Now gently turn your head to the right, not forcing it, just looking over your shoulder like something caught your attention. Hold it there for a moment. Now come back. Did you feel that subtle pull through your chest? Maybe even into your arms? That's not just your muscles. That's your fascia beginning to respond. And for most people, this is the first time they've ever felt it directly. Now here's what's interesting. If you repeat that same movement, but with intention, the sensation changes. It becomes smoother, deeper, almost like something is slowly unlocking. That's the difference between random movement and structured practice. Today I'm showing you one of the movements from Ba Duan Jin, an ancient Chinese system designed to restore energy and release deep tension. This one is called The Wise Owl Gazes Backward. And there's a reason it's been practiced for centuries. Not because it's complicated, but because it works on layers most people never access. In traditional Chinese medicine, this movement was used to address patterns of fatigue and accumulated stress in the body. Not just physically, but internally, energetically. Imagine your body like a wet towel that's been twisted and left in a corner. Over time, everything stagnates. Fluid, tension, even circulation. And no amount of straight-line stretching, you can pull on it all you want, but it doesn't reorganize the structure. But rotation does. When you gently spiral the body, you create a kind of internal wringing effect through the tissue. And that's when things start to change. Stagnation begins to move. Circulation improves. And areas that felt stuck start to feel responsive again. And this kind of movement has even been linked to calming the nervous system, which is why people often feel more relaxed after just a few repetitions. Now let's build the movement properly. There are 4 layers to this movement, and each one matters more than you think. If you rush this part, you'll miss most of the effect. So slow down and follow this carefully. Layer 1, the foundation. Feet shoulder width apart, completely parallel. Now bring your attention to your feet. Feel the weight distributed evenly. Front, back, inside, outside. Most people skip this, but this is what tells your body it's safe to release tension. Now let your spine grow tall, as if something is gently lifting the crown of your head upward. And let your shoulders drop completely. If there's tension here, nothing above will work properly. Layer 2, the spiral begins. Lift your arms slightly away from your body, like you're holding 2 bowls. Now slowly rotate your palms outward, slower than you think you need to, until they face behind you. And notice what happens. That rotation doesn't stop at your wrists. It travels up your forearms, into your shoulders, and opens your chest. This is where many people feel something immediately. A subtle expansion, a sense of space. Stay there for a moment. Let your body register it. Layer 3, the gaze. Keeping everything else relaxed. Slowly turn your head to the right. Don't force it. This is important. The moment you force the movement, your body resists. You're not trying to go as far as possible. You're just inviting the movement, like you're casually looking behind you. Curious, not strained. Hold for 3 breaths. And while you hold, see if you can soften even more. Then slowly return to center. Take your time. Repeat on the left. This is the part that actually releases tension in the neck. But only if you let it happen. Not if you try to make it happen. Layer 4, the breath. As you turn, inhale slowly through your nose. Let your rib cage expand in all directions, not just forward, sideways, backwards. As you return, exhale gently through your mouth. And with that exhale, let something go, even if it's subtle. The breath is what turns this from a simple movement into a reset for your nervous system. Do 6 repetitions on each side. There's no need to rush. The slower you go, the more your body responds. Now, before you continue, there's something important. There are 2 mistakes I see constantly, and one of them can completely block the effect. Mistake 1, lifting your shoulders. The moment your shoulders rise, your body shifts into tension mode. Instead of releasing, you reinforce the stress. So before every repetition, drop your shoulders consciously. Let them feel heavy, almost like they're melting downward. Mistake 2, moving your hips. Your lower body stays completely still. This part is non-negotiable. All the movement happens from the waist up. That's what creates the internal wringing effect. If your hips are turning, you're just rotating, not releasing. And here's the cue that changes everything. Imagine a thread pulling the top of your head upward, while your feet sink heavy into the ground. At the same time, 2 opposite directions. When your body finds that balance, something clicks. The movement becomes lighter, smoother, more natural. That's when the real release happens. If you practice this correctly, you might notice something interesting. A slight tingling, maybe in your arms, your neck, even your jaw. Or a sense of warmth spreading. Or even a spontaneous deep breath. These are all signs your system is shifting. Your body is reorganizing in real time. So here's a simple challenge. Do this for the next 7 days. Just 5 minutes in the morning. No more. But do it with attention and see how your body responds. Then come back and tell me what changed. Maybe you don't need more stretching. Maybe your body has been waiting for rotation this whole time.